Today, let's hop in our pretend rocket ship and zoom to Mars. It's called the Red Planet and it's Earth's neighbor in space. And I'll be your space tour guide. Ma'am, what does Mars look like? Ma'am, if we looked at Mars through a telescope, it looks like a big orange red ball in the sky. Ma'am, why is it red? Ma'am, the dirt on Mars has lots of iron, just like in our red bike. When iron gets wet and sits outside, it turns rusty. Mars is basically a giant rusty desert. That's why the whole planet looks reddish brown. Ma'am, how big is Mars compared to Earth? Ma'am, if we hold up a basketball, that's Earth. And ma'am, then if we hold up a tennis ball, that's Mars. Ma'am, Mars is only half the size of Earth. So if Earth was our big brother, Mars would be the little brother. Ma'am, because it's smaller, gravity is weaker there. On Mars, we will only feel we'd only weigh one three of what we weigh on Earth. For example, ma'am, if we weigh 30 kg here on Earth, we will we will feel like just 10 kg on Mars. Ma'am, we could jump 3 times higher. Boink! Ma'am, what's the weather like on Mars? Brrr. Ma'am, it's super cold. At night, it can get to minus 140 Celsius. Ma'am, that's way colder than our freezer. Even in summer, at the equator, it's only about 20 Celsius, like a nice spring day. Dusty and windy. Ma- Mars has giant dust storms that can cover the whole planet for weeks. The dust is super fine, like baby powder. Man, do you know about the thin air? When we can't breathe on Mars, the air is mostly carbon dioxide and it's 100 times thinner than Earth's air. Ma'am, we will need a space suit with oxygen like a fish needs water. Ma'am, does Mars have moon? Yes, ma'am, it has two little ones. Earth has one big moon, but Mars has two tiny potato-shaped moons. Ma'am, first name is Phobos. It means fear. It's so close to Mars that it zooms across the sky 2 times every day. And ma'am, the other one is Deimos. Its meaning is panic. It's smaller and farther away. And they're probably asteroids that Mars caught with its gravity. Ma'am, is there water on Mars? Ma'am, long ago, Mars had rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. We can see dry riverbeds and lake bottoms from our space robots. Ma'am, today most of the water is frozen underground or at the ice caps. But sometimes in warm places, a little salty water might ooze out for a short time, then dry up. Ma'am, has anyone been to Mars? And no humans yet. It's too far and too dangerous right now. A rocket trip takes 7 to 9 months one way. But we've sent lots of robot explorers called rovers. When we might know them. Ma'am, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.